Okay, now we're getting to the good stuff. We are going to start learning about the 3 different ways to write a number. The ways are called standard form, expanded form, and written form. And you just watched a video about expanded form. You already know standard form because standard form is the way we always write numbers. And written form is just writing out the words of the number. So let's watch this visual learning first, and then we'll get into our next lesson.
How can you write numbers in different ways?
Let's find out.
What place value models are shown? What number is shown by the models? There are 3 hundreds flats, 2 tens rods, and 8 ones cubes. You can write the number shown in different ways. One way to write the number is in expanded form. 300 plus 20 plus 8. What does the first number tell you? It tells you there are 3 hundreds. What does the second number tell you? What does the third number tell you? The second number tells you there are 2 tens. The third number tells you there are 8 ones. Another way you can write the number is in standard form. Write the hundreds first, then the tens, then the ones. This is the form you often use when you work with numbers. A third way you can write the number is in word form. What word comes after 3 when you write the number in word form? The word hundred comes after 3. How do you say 2 tens? 2 tens is 20. How do you say the last number in 328? You say 8 for the last number. So, in word form, 328 is 328. All 3 ways show the same number. $328 is equal to 300 plus 20 plus 8. Now you know different ways to write numbers.
All right, we're going to try it out today. Okay, so here's our number she's holding. If we put it in a place value match, it would look like this. Probably would look neater than this. There we go. We know this is hundreds. Tens. Looks like a K. And ones. That's not a K, folks. It's supposed to be an H. Sorry about it. All right, hundreds, tens, and ones. So when we say the number, we start here. We read numbers just like we read words, left to right. So we say 231. 231. So the second way we're going to do is expanded form. The 2 stands for 200 plus the 3 stands for 3 tens. How much is 3 tens? 3 10 blocks. 10, 20, 30. 30. And how many ones do we have? Just one. So this says 231. This says 231. And in word form, we would say 2 hundred, and you're going to get good at spelling hundred. 100. I don't know if I'm going to fit this. Should have started over farther. This big pen. 30 starts with a TH. Thir. 30. Well, I'm gonna go outside my lines, guys. Send me back to kindergarten. 231. That's word form. 231, 231, 231. All right, here's our video information. How many hundreds, tens, and ones does the number 640 have? Well, let's write the number 640. 640. Does it have any ones? No, it does not. It has 6 tens, 6 hundreds, 4 tens, 0 ones. To write this in expanded form, we would write 600 plus 40, because there are no ones. That's all you need to write. The next one's done for you. You see the 300s, right? So there's 300. There's no tens. Goodness gracious. 300 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no tens, so there's a 0 in the middle of this number. 305. Okay, so I want you to try it. On the top, I'm going to do one more. You're going to do the next page. On the top here, you're going to do the actual number, the value of these blocks. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. And then you're going to do the value of the tens. There's only one, so that's worth 10. And then the value of the ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. 500, 10 and 4 make 14. Then on the second line, you're going to write the standard form, 514, and then we have to write it in word form. Oh, I don't think we were supposed to do standard. We were just supposed to do expanded in word. So I'm going to start way over here this time. I was supposed to have 2 lines to write it on. 5. I didn't read the directions. 100. Oh, geez. 500. I'm put 14 down here. Okay. Hope you guys write neater than me. Next page. You have some to try. They did the expanded form. Do you see that? You need to write the word form and the standard form. The word form and the standard form. If you're not sure, go back a couple pages and look. Here they wrote the word form and they want you to write it in expanded form and standard form. This one's a little tricky. I would keep going back if you're not sure which one is which, and look at this page because it has them. Expanded form is where you're adding all the separate values together. Standard is how we normally write numbers, and the word form is writing the number out in words. All right, so take your time, work on lesson 9-4. When you think you've got it, go do the quick check and solve this math for 9-4.